Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Word document read a report for you, or maybe a document that you have written so that you don't get tired. You know, sometimes we get tired reading a document, or sometimes we might fall asleep while reading it, because sometimes being silent make us to feel like dozing off. So this video is for you. So you go to view, and then there's this thing called Immersive Reading. So you click it, and then you select, and then you make it read loud.
Case study: Climate Change and Smallholder Agriculture in Eastern Kenya. Title: Building Climate Resilience Among Smallholder Farmers in Makueni County, Kenya. Background: Makueni County is located in Kenya's semi-arid region, where over 75% of households depend on rain-fed agriculture for their livelihoods. In recent years, the county has experienced increasingly erratic rainfall, prolonged droughts, and rising temperatures due to climate change. These changes have significantly reduced agricultural productivity, threatened food security, and increased household poverty. Between 2022 and 2025, rainfall became unpredictable, with long dry spells occurring during the growing season. Farmers who traditionally planted maize suffered repeated crop failures, while livestock losses increased because of water shortages and reduced pasture. Project intervention. In 2025, a development organization implemented the Climate Smart Agriculture Initiative targeting 300 farmers. The project introduced drought-tolerant maize and sorghum varieties, water harvesting structures, drip irrigation systems, conservation agriculture, agroforestry, farmer climate information services using SMS, integrated pest management, farmer field schools.
And then if you are tired being for this month's reading for you, you can always close it here.